Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you about an app which is going to be very useful for you guys. This app is used for storage. You can store your data, your videos and all the things there, and here you are going to get a lot of storage which will be free. If you are using a Google Drive and you have only 15 GB space and you need more space, and that should be free, so this app is going to be very useful for you guys. So let's just start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Play Store in your Android phone. So open the Play Store and then search for the Mega. Name of app is Mega. I have already installed it. I'm just going to show you. Search for the Mega, and here we have a Mega. Now what you have to do, you have to install it. Now open it. After opening this, you have to create an account on this app, and then you can upload your videos, your files, and you can also share them with anyone who is. As you can see, I have also uploaded some videos, and you can also upload the video. You have to click on this plus icon, click on the upload, and after whatever you want upload, you can select that file. If you want to upload the folder, you can select this option. If you want to upload the file, you can select this option. You can do a lot of other work like capture, create new text file and all. So click on the upload files. After clicking on the upload file, you can upload anything. Another benefit of this app is, if your uploading is got stopped, and this will be continued automatically anytime if you have internet connection. So for example, I'm going to upload this one. Now click on this, and this will be uploaded automatically. Upload has started. As you can see, this is uploading. So I hope this video is going to be very useful for you guys, and this will be your time saving and money saving and a lot of storage for you guys. So see you in the next video.